AI Architect. Introduction. Data is being used by artificial intelligence to change the world. With impact might AI have on architecture? Various attempts to incorporate artificial intelligence technology in the field of architecture have already been made: design, management, construction, real estate, urban planning, etc. The majority of today's technologies are partially artificially intelligent, requiring human inventions and monitoring of the majority of the work. In comparison to other sectors, AI in architecture is still in its infancy, and there are many technologies on the market that have yet to be used in architecture, as well as even more ideas that have yet to investigate it. Here are a few technologies that employ AI to assist architects in some ways. Whether we are talking about architecture, design, or urban planning, the architect planning needs a lot of time to get started. It takes countless hours of research to understand the design requirements and objectives. And then starting from the surface, getting oriented and examining the overall case, then identifying problems and possible alternative solutions, then digging deeper, performing analyses, gathering data, performing calculations that might provide insight, the formulating in an action plan, listing any outside concepts that can be applied, listing relevant qualitative data, then formulating an action plan, listing any outside concepts that can be applied, then formulating an action plan, listing any outside concepts that can be applied, then formula. An architect planner could go through this extensive process of studying data testing because to AI's ability to take it in an infinite quality of data. AI is more precise and efficient in this area, and it provides more possibilities, resulting in more opportunities by allowing access to vast amount of data, establishing models, analyzing and built environment, and generating cost estimates. An architect might use an AI system to get quick and easy access to all zoning data, building codes, and disabled design data, as well as information like age, gender, and family size. With some or no usage of pen and paper, AI can be tool that assist architects in generating design alternatives. Their functions become more conceptual. Architecture with parametrics. Parametric design is a sort of design that allows you to experiment with different parameters to produce new types of outputs, as well as construct forms and structures that will be no conceivable otherwise. It's a programmer that allows architect to select design output, define limits, plug data, and produce numerous iterations of their products or building in minutes. Geometric programming and complicated algorithms are used in parametric design to allow architects to alter and optimize a building to meet their needs.